If you're serious about SPL competitions or just want earth-shattering bass in your ride, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best competition 15-inch car subwoofers built to shake the streets. Stick around till number 1, it's an absolute beast. Before we drop the bass on these monsters, make sure you hit subscribe and that notification bell so you don't miss any of our audio gear breakdowns. And once you are done watching, comment with your preferences below. Also, I have shared links to the best deals on these subwoofers in the description below. So make sure you check them out so you don't miss out. Now let's get started with our countdown of the top 5 competition 15-inch subwoofers on the market right now. At number 5, we have the Rockville Destroyer 15D1. The Rockville Destroyer 15D1 is built for serious power handling, boasting an incredible 8,000 watts peak power, 4,000 watts program power, and 2,000 watts RMS. It features a triple-stacked 300-ounce Y35 magnet, a 3-inch 4-layer aluminum voice coil wound in the USA, and a competition-grade cast aluminum basket for extreme rigidity. With a frequency response designed for deep lows and explosive SPL performance, plus dual 1-ohm impedance for flexible wiring options, this subwoofer means business when it comes to handling massive amounts of power without breaking a sweat. What makes the Rockville Destroyer stand out is its sheer brute force capability. This sub is perfect for bassheads who want to push their amps to the limit and create the kind of low-end impact that you can feel in your bones. It's especially great for SPL competitors and those who prioritize raw output over subtlety, as it thrives in high-powered, ported enclosures and can handle extended play without overheating. The only shortcoming is that its sound signature leans more toward sheer loudness than refined clarity. But if you're chasing maximum output, it's absolutely worth it. Moving up to number 4, the NVX XCW151 15-inch X Series. The NVX XCW151 is an SPL-focused 15-inch subwoofer rated at 2,000 watts RMS and 4,000 watts peak, with a frequency response range from 20 to 200 Hz. It comes equipped with a heavy-duty cast aluminum basket, a high-roll foam surround, and a massive triple-stacked magnet structure designed for maximum excursion and cone control. Its dual 1-ohm voice coil configuration makes it highly versatile for different amplifier setups, and the sub's design is optimized for both SPL competition and deep, accurate bass reproduction. The NVX XCW151 stands out because it blends SPL muscle with musicality. It's great for car audio enthusiasts who want the loud, heart-thumping bass of a competition subwoofer but still appreciate tonal accuracy and clean output for daily music listening. Whether you're competing or just cruising with your favorite playlist, it delivers the kind of performance that keeps you smiling. Its only drawback is that while it's incredibly balanced, it doesn't quite reach the extreme SPL levels of some heavier-built models, but for many, that's a trade-off worth making. At number 3, we have the Skar Audio ZVX 15V2D1. The Skar Audio ZVX 15V2D1 is a competition-grade 15-inch subwoofer, rated at a massive 3,000 watts peak power and 1,500 watts RMS. It comes with an ultra-efficient cooling design. It features a high-temperature 3-inch copper voice coil, an oversized competition-grade triple-stacked ferrite magnet, and a pressed paper cone reinforced with a high-roll foam surround. The motor design provides exceptional cone control, allowing for deep bass extension without sacrificing accuracy. With a dual 1-ohm configuration, it's perfect for wiring flexibility in high-powered systems. This sub stands out for its ability to deliver extreme SPL performance with consistent reliability. It's a great choice for bass competitors who need a woofer that can take serious punishment in a high-output system while still maintaining clean, hard-hitting bass notes. It thrives in large, well-tuned ported enclosures and pairs beautifully with big, efficient amplifiers. The only shortcoming is its substantial weight and enclosure space requirement, but if you have the room, it's a powerhouse worth every pound. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Sundown Audio X15V3D1. If you're serious about competition, Sundown has earned its reputation for exceptional build quality and performance. The Sundown Audio X15V3D1 is engineered for extreme performance, offering 2000 watts RMS with a redesigned motor structure for improved thermal management and mechanical control. It uses a high excursion suspension system, a large diameter voice coil for enhanced heat dissipation, and a massive ferrite magnet assembly. Its cone is made from stiff composite materials for strength, paired with a wide roll surround to allow incredible excursion without losing cone stability. The sub is tuned for ultra-low distortion even at high volume levels, and its dual 1 ohm configuration makes it amp-friendly for big builds. The X15V3 stands out because it strikes a near-perfect balance between SPL competition power and sound quality finesse. This sub is best for enthusiasts who want serious bass output but also care about tonal accuracy and musical detail. It's a true all-rounder that can impress at the lane or on the street. The only minor downside is its price, which is higher than some alternatives, but the quality and engineering justify every penny. And finally, our number one spot goes to the Trinity Audio TAS M15D2. This is the new contender that's changing the game. While their subwoofers are relatively new in the market, they seem to be outdoing the good old popular models. The Trinity Audio TAS M15D2 is the king of this list, boasting 2000 watts RMS, 6000 watts peak, and a jaw-dropping 650-ounce FEA-optimized triple-stacked motor. It uses a 3-inch high-temperature BASV dual-voice coil, high excursion suspension, and advanced thermal management to maintain performance under extreme conditions. This sub has been tested to handle bursts up to 18,000 watts, and its rigid cone and surround design ensure both deep bass extension and extreme SPL capability. With a dual 2-ohm voice coil setup, it's adaptable to many amplifier configurations. What makes the TAS M15D2 stand out is its ability to combine sheer SPL dominance with clean, musical bass reproduction. It's perfect for serious competitors and hardcore enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on power or sound quality. Whether you're chasing trophies or just want the baddest bass in your neighborhood, this subwoofer is engineered to deliver. The only drawback is that it demands a robust electrical system and a well-built enclosure. But if you can feed it the power it deserves, it's an absolute monster. And that's my roundup of the top 5 best 15-inch car subwoofers that are readily available today. Hopefully there is a subwoofer here for you. I have also shared links to all the featured subwoofers in the description below, so make sure you don't miss out on the best deals for these competition subwoofers. Drop a comment letting me know which one you'd choose for your competition build, or if there's another 15-inch monster I should have included. Also, you can let me know what you are using in your current setup or what you are planning to get. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video.